Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert an Excel document in Confluence page. To begin, open Confluence and go to the overview area of your workspace. This is your starting point, where you can access the pages within the space and navigate to the content you want to update. Make sure you are in the correct workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple spaces. Once you are in the overview, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Sample Page. This will open the page where the Excel document will be added. If your page is already open, you can continue from there. But for this walkthrough, we are starting from the page list in the sidebar, so the process is easy to follow from the beginning. After the page is open, go to the top toolbar and click on the Add Image option. In Confluence, this area is commonly used to insert files and visual content into a page. Even though the label may mention images, it can also provide access to uploading files depending on your editor setup. This is the entry point for attaching the Excel document to the page. A file upload window will appear. In that window, click on Choose a File. This opens your computer's file browser, allowing you to locate the Excel document you want to insert. Take a moment here to confirm that you are selecting the correct spreadsheet version, especially if you have several similar files saved locally. Next, browse to your sample Excel file and upload it. Select the file from your device, then confirm the upload if needed. Confluence will begin attaching the document to the page. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish processing. Once the upload is complete, the Excel document will be added to the Confluence page through the file insertion process. If you do not see it immediately, wait briefly for the page editor to refresh the content area. It can also help to click back into the page body to verify the file has been placed where you want it. That's it. You've successfully inserted an Excel document into a Confluence page. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to review the page before publishing or sharing it, just to make sure the file appears correctly and is easy for others to access.